Ingxelo yakutshanje ithi uhlobo lwe-COVID-19 lwe-Omicron, iBA4 neBA5, ingagubungela eli ngamandla kwezinyanga zizayo, kodwa abezempilo kweli bathi kudala bequbisana nolu hlobo lwe-COVID-19.
BA4 and BA5 for a long time, and they are the two subvariants that were responsible for our fifth wave. So we've had a substantial wave of that variant in the community for some time. We are still seeing BA4 and BA5 infections, and we would like to caution the public that COVID is very much still amongst us, and those are the two most prevalent subvariants still doing the rounds.
Ugqirha Nicholas Crisp uthi belisebe lezempilo abalelanga babile besome bezama ukuzilungiselela.
We have got as we keep saying, one of the most magnificent scientific communities that a country could hope for. And our science network and the people who are part of those networks are revered around the world. They sit on many committees of the WHO and other global bodies. So they're all party to what is happening. They monitor and report what is being tested and found in South Africa on a regular basis.
Nangona kunjalo ubongoza abemi beli ukuba bahlale bezikhusele njengoko le ntsholongwane ye-COVID-19 isekhona.
Possible. We do not want to go back to lockdowns and mask wearing and all of that. So we would really encourage the public to go out and get vaccinated. And that means both primary vaccinations, in other words, the first schedules, but also older people and those who have other illnesses to please go out and get your booster doses.
Kusenjalo lisebe alixolanga linani labantu abagonyela i-COVID-19 ngoku.
The uptake is extremely poor. We are vaccinating between 13 and 15,000 a day at the moment, which is pathetic considering that we were doing well over 100,000 a day a while back. We have 20 million doses of vaccine in the country at the moment. And as we have warned, the Pfizer vaccine is starting to expire in September, October of this year.
Ugqirha Crisp uthi ngabuye imiqathango ukuba liye lakhula inani labantu abane-COVID-19 kweli.